Aspirants coming from outside demand MPSC to refund travelling expenses in view of indefinite postponement of MCA's Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2019. Teacher trainees of Kaikol Diet Center alleged DDO SCRT of misusing funds meant for external tour and printing of publication report for the center. And NEIDP urges government to take appropriate measures to prevent collapse of all structures in the state to ensure public safety. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Aspiring candidates of Manipur Civil Services held Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC responsible for the recent indefinite postponement of Manipur Civil Service Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2019 issued by an order of the High Court of Manipur. The exam was supposed to be conducted on May 12. Representing a group of aspiring candidates at Manipur Press Club today, S. Ratnamani demanded MPSC to refund all the travelling expenses of those aspirants who have come to appear the examination from outside the state, as the examination was postponed in less than 48 hours of the examination date. He further warned that a PIL will be filed against MPSC in case of failure to pay heed to their demands. Ratnamani reminded that the High Court of Manipur issued an order on February 28, 2017, instructing MPSC to keep an examination controller for the competitive examination. He maintained that MPSC fails to abide by the High Court's order when it announced for the preliminary examination on January 8, 2019, without an official examination controller.
Train ticket ko ro matung na lakpa kan sa koi pesa mayam sangga personally id dising tara sang mayawi tara ni thoi trom doi tramani sang mayam ju yauri hanjan thola abnina akoi hantakti MPSC na High Court ki contempt of court tarabni amarom didi magna February 28 2017 da thokibo order gi matung ina notification thoge hantakki exam ji conduct tongna na bagi toram dabadagi namak sigi matam kaktana sigi akoi gi exam ji postpone to han givni aduna maram oiraga akoi na MPSC na torai je yame hanjan tore sigi akoi da lakiba sang giba paisa sing je compensate to biyo aduga masida Manipur sarkar na ju akoi gi miyang ta san biyo aduga akoi na to jeriba demand je akoi personal interest na te mayam gi damak tane laiba satra mayam ji ne sing gi masida impact to ri se yame adu PIL ju to raga akoi na High Court honorable High Court ju akoi masi amta yen biyo moi gi judgment ta ba kan da masi ke aspect ju ubiyo ana akoi haijening.
Teacher trainees of Kaikol Diet Center in Imphal East alleged DDO of SCRT cum Joint Director Jim Golden Thingujam of misappropriating funds meant for students, external tours and printing of publication reports. Second-year student of the center, Ningombam Kishorjit, told media that there are 9 study centers under SCRT Manipur. He claimed that a total fund of 10 lakh 38,000 rupees meant for external tours and 13 lakh 50,000 rupees meant for printing of publication reports were sanctioned for the 9 centers for the year 2018. Kishorjit alleged that Jim Golden Thingujam misappropriated the funds sanctioned for Kaikol Diet Center. He demanded the joint director to return the fund to the center within 5 days, failing which he warned of intense agitations.
Study tour khaktangi natana koigi publications of annual report for 9 diets haidana amasule masigi senpham ju aikoigi diet center asida suyaw yoroktre chhatra jingna taliba honi si khangningi ba ji masi je DDO masamangna aikoida sengdokpiro adu numi mangani gi matam sida manung sida akoini sengdoktragadi akoi mairoi lupsing si tanaraga akoi kosamnaraga akoi akanba khongjang changjanaba sem saduna leire.
NEIDP drew the attention of the state government to take appropriate measures to prevent mishaps related to collapse of old structures in the state. Speaking to media at NEIDP office in Tera today, NEIDP State Unit President N.G. Bijoy expressed sadness over yesterday's old building collapse near Tampastor BT Road, which killed 1 person and injured at least 3. He stated that NEIDP team today visited one of the victims, T.H. Kishan from Mayang Imphal Ani Longbi, who was critically injured and is still undergoing treatment at Jenims. The party urged government to give proper compensation to all the victims.
Yum Leribari, Bamayum, Yachahi Yankai Suraba, Helaba, or Walagazu, Madugi structure do, Kaya Pang the Basindo, Madu from time to time. Me Atay country the zoo, Sigi Portse, Masi, Marak to check Tony. Shalaga di Ningarakaya, Suma Posi, Kara Policy Matoraga, Yanganingi, Aduga Dukan Mapusing dusu, the Sengna, at the Kolab Tohoningi, Makoizu, Tamoi Sengna, Moigi Dukan Ningairaga Soiba Mido, some na Chachaba Nebalambida, Mother Ningairi Vidu, Moising Zulaga, Karito Rage, Karito Buyai, Ibanisingba, Mating Kaitasu, Pihenjaningi.
Manipur People's Democratic Front, MPDF, also in a press release expressed grief over the death of a person and injury of at least 3 by the collapse of an old building near BT flyover bridge between Pauna Market and Mapalkang Jibung yesterday afternoon. MPDF appeals to Imphal Municipal Corporation to take necessary measures to avoid such incidents in the future. Police and media persons have reached to an understanding regarding their last night's scuffles at Kashampat Kasham Lekai following the intervention of SP Imphal West Mega Chandra this evening. Laying Thau Sanamahi Thaugalup and Foundation for University of Sanamahi Culture jointly announced that the shrine of Laying Thau Sanamahi Kiong at Seloi Langmai Ching, which is also known as Nong Mai Ching, will be inaugurated on June 8. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of Laying Thau Sanamahi Thaugalup, Laishram Poireiton, stated that construction of the shrine with the cooperation of the public completed after over 12 years. He said the shrine will be open for public after its inaugural by the Chief Minister and the titular King of Manipur. He appeals to refrain from calling any bunt or block it on June 8.
Foundation for University of Sanamai Culture Amadi, Line of Sanamai, Takun Kanglukia Halaman Singsina, Akangai Singi, Wapamji, Lauzaraga, Yam Kupna, Hanani, Najaraba Matunda, La Iba Jungi Tang, Nipan, Ingagi, Mangani Pan, but hangs in the mid Asida, Line of Sanamai, Chowa Sanglian, Sanamai Kiongashi, Sanga Naba, Koi Madugi. Lepchaba do like Jerry, the mid Ashidagi Hona, Miam, Irat Ishwan Toba, Honanabagi. Aduma Sanga the Sanglian Mito Ramji, Paktok Charaga, Miam, the Numit Asidigi Tongang to Pahokjaba, Aduman Numit Adugi Damak, Equina Paukian Jabani.
Nongpok Lengag Apunba Nupilup held its 4th Foundation Day observance at Wangkai Puja Lampa Community Hall today. Speaking in the event, General Secretary of the Association, Nongtombam Ongbi Radhamani, stated that the Women Association strives to end domestic violence and to foster peace and harmony among hills and valley inhabitants of the state.
Miang Goloinana, Kogi Labaki, Tabak Torom Kaya Lapa, the Kusam Naga Saminaba, Aduga, I Kogi Lamdam Sida, Nisana Maram Oiraga, I Koi Nupi Angang, the Sataraliba Miwon Mineka, sitting Minaba, Aduga, Hausia Huzik, Oiragliba, Nupa Nupi Singi, Lisa Sajala Semasigi, Haura Pamasakadai, the Haura Ibano, Haragati Dominaraga, I Kogi Lamdam, saying that Signa Santi Lena, Himinaba Pami, Akoina, Pamzariba, Amadi, Akoina Sasariba, Sida Miam, Punamanga, Charuya Biduna, Mati and Supang Biu.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the agenda of Technopole Police and Technopole Transport to fit high security number plates on all the vehicles in Moree. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Technopole District Police and Technopole District Transport today jointly organized a meet to discuss on fitting of high security number plates in all the vehicles of Moree. Officer in charge and staffs of Technopole District Transport, additional SP of Moree, leaders of various civil society organizations and automobile associations plying on Imphal Moree Road attended the meet held at Moree Police IB. Agricultural Technology Management Agency Atma Kangpokpi Block, under the initiative of Agricultural Technology Management Agency Senapati District, organized an awareness program on management strategies of fall army worm FAW on maize at Songpijang village in Kangpokpi today. Technology manager of Atma Kangpokpi Block, Rima, spoke as resource person at the event. Assessment for the 2-month-long training program on skills and entrepreneurship development program on hand embroidery since March were held today. Himkon Shimla and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons jointly organized the training program under the aegis of National Backward Classes Financial and Development Corporation. Sai Graphics today conducted the assessments for the training at Kurai Kongpal Chandamlekai for Imphal East and Loitang Laikil Thaba for Imphal West. Lifesavers Manipur, Ekmi Fertility and Health Care Center, HDFC Bank Imphal, Jenims Blood Bank and Transfusion Units Porampat and State Blood Cell NHM Manipur jointly organized a voluntary blood donation camp at Ekmi Fertility and Health Care Center in Purana Rajbari, Nomaibung today. 86 volunteers donated blood in the camp. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA carried out an awareness program against intoxicants for students of Praja High School in Imphal West today. CADA also presented its journal Health for Future to the school authority. Tinungai Apunba Mairapaibi Nupilup and Kada Bishnupur District Committee jointly took out a public rally against intoxicants at Tinungai in Bishnupur District last night. The rally, which started from Tinungai Market, passed through 4 different localities. Assistant Secretary Publicity of Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front, Bankim, in a press release clarified that 150-year-old Chongtham Ongbi Kudongbam Ningol Rebecca Elias Inaubi, wife of late Chongtham Megajit from Nongpok Sanjimbam Kabungput, who was arrested by a combined team of Commando Imphal East and 6 Assam Rifles on May 5, has no connection whatsoever with the outfit. Now the sports news. Setu FC Tamil Nadu and Manipur Police Sports Club beats their opponents in Hero Indian Women League matches played at Guru Nanak Stadium in Ludhiana, Punjab. In one of the Group 2 matches played yesterday, Setu FC crushed Asai STC Cuttack by 9-0. For the winners, N. Ratanbala scored 3 goals at 4th, 29th and 88th minute. Sandhya scored 2 goals at the 9th and 87th minute, while Indumati, Dangmai Grace and Sabitra Bhandari scored 1 goal each at the 45th, 66th and 81st minute. And the 9th goal came from the opponent team's player Subha Patra, who scored an own goal. While in another Group 2 league match, Manipur Police Sports Club beat Baroda FC by 6-1. For the winners, NG Bala scored 4 goals at 4th, 13th, 37th and 45th minute, while H. Daya and I. Prameshwari scored 1 goal each at the 4th and 90th minute of the match. 12 teams divided into 2 groups are participating in the Women's League held under the aegis of All India Football Federation. Manipur Police Sports Club will play against FG Kolhapur on May 14. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Aspirants coming from outside demand MPSC to refund traveling expenses in view of indefinite postponement of MCS Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2019. Teacher trainees of Kaikol Diet Center alleged DDO SART of misusing funds meant for external tour and printing of publication report for the center. And NEIDP urges government to take appropriate measures to prevent collapse of old structures in the state to ensure public safety.